गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आपके भविष्य को संवारना ही हमारे इस प्रयास का एक छोटा सा कदम है। आई हैव स्टार्टेड ए यूट्यूब चैनल। यू कैन यूज दिस चैनल टू get benefits. I have made many videos which is related to class 6 to 10th mathematics. There are many problems which is very useful in board classes for class 10th. Thank you. Good morning students. Yesterday we were discussing about quadratic equation. Today we will study the nature of the roots. You know nature? बच्चों जैसे किसी बच्चे को देख करके हम बताते हैं कि किस स्वभाव उसका स्वभाव क्या है। कोई बहुत शांत स्वभाव का होता है। Similarly, here we have to check the nature of the roots. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is an equation, quadratic equation. Its roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b square minus 4ac, this is under root. Now you see b square minus 4ac, this is called discriminant. You know, this is called b square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant. Here you see the discriminant d. If d greater than 0, then the two roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different. You see the second point, if the value of d is equal to 0, then the roots are real but equal. Third point, if the value of d is less than 0, the roots are not real, you can say imaginary. There is only 3 chances. D may be greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. It's okay. Now we will get practice taking one example. Okay. Good morning students. I have one example to check the nature of the roots. Okay. You see, find the nature of the roots of the equation 5x square minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now first of all, you compare this equation with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here you see a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 10. Now discriminant, you see discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is equal to minus 2 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 10. Now minus 2 square, that is 4, minus 4 5 is 20 into minus 10. Now again 4 minus 20 into 10 is equal to 200, minus into minus, that is plus. This is 204, that is greater than 0. I have told you that if discriminant d greater than 0, then the equation have two real and distinct roots. Okay. Now you see the second one is here. This is the second type of question. This is being asked in board exam many times. I think that you will take care. For what value of k, the equation kx square minus kx plus 1 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Okay. Now see, for real and equal roots, you have seen that the second condition which I have told you, if d equal to 0, then the roots, then the equation have real and equal roots. Okay. Now you see, compare the equation kx square minus kx plus 1 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here you see, here you find a is equal to k, b is equal to minus k and c is equal to 1. Now d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is equal to k square minus k square minus 4 into a means k and c means 1. This is equal to k square minus 4k. This is d. If d equal to 0 means k square minus 4k equal to 0, then you see k common k minus 4 equal to 0. It has two values. This is equal to k equal to 0 or k minus 4 equal to 0, k is equal to 4. Hence k has two values, k is equal to 0 or 4. Okay, thanks.